sunshine on a cloudy day. When it's cold outside, I've got the month of May. Ooh, I guess you'd say, what can make me feel this way, my girl? Talking about my girl, I got so much honey, the bees and the bees. I got a sweeter soul than the birds in the trees. Ooh, I guess you'd say
I love my dogs. I take them for walks around town. They make me happy when I'm feeling down. And I never ever frown when I'm with my dogs. They're so happy, they just make me laugh. Even when I have to give them a bath. And they shake all the sooty water all over the bathroom walls. I love my dogs.